BJP team has reached West Bengal's Malda district. The team is headed by BJP General Secretary and MP Bhupinder Yadav. BJP leader SS Ahluwalia and BD Ram are also part of this team. In fact, the team was constituted by Amit Shah and is going to be on a fact-finding spree to probe the Malda unrest.
Mr. Ahluwalia, thank you for speaking with Times Now, sir. The point is you are here in Malda. You are in Malda with a purpose. What is your objective, sir?
Objective is to know the truth. Know the truth.
Know the truth about what, sir?
About what happened in the Kaliachowk last week.
Okay. So, Trinamool Congress, they are thinking that BJP is trying to stoke the communal violence in this place which is already volatile. What's your response?
Because they are saying that there is no violence, there is a small incident between the BSF and the local people. That's why they don't see anything, and that's why they are blaming us.
Do you see this purely as a law and order situation, sir?
What do you think? You as a reporter, what do you think that without the permission of the district administration, lakhs of people can march on the street?
Okay. Would you also call it an intelligence failure? Would you say that police did let the situation happen like that?
It is. They have deliberately allowed them.
And what is the scene like now, sir? There had been apprehensions that police might not let you go to Kaliachowk. Are you planning to go to Kaliachowk, sir?
I don't know whether they have just now they requested us that the ADM want to come and discuss the tour program. So we are going there to meet him.
Are you decided that you would go to Kaliachowk, sir?
We have decided. That's why we have come all the way from Delhi to Malda.
Previously, your BJP leader, Mr. Soumik Bhattacharya, wasn't allowed to go there, citing 144, Section 144.
You know, these sections are with them. They can show these sections what to do.
We are requesting them that we want to go to the Kaliachowk because it is in our knowledge that they have already lifted the 144 sometimes before, but they inform us that they have again imposed it. But we want to know that
it from last night again?
Last night, yes, we know from that they imposed from last night. So it's very unfortunate situation, and we want to know that if the three members of parliament coming from the different part of country, they want to know about the truth. What is the hesitation to the state government that they are not ready to bring the truth in the public domain? So they want to give information to the public by their own painted story, not a correct story. The unfortunate part of in this incident is that the many injured persons are policemen itself. So what is the situation that the mob attacked on the police station?
Who are you negotiating with? Is it ADM or anybody from police representing?
The police SP is in touch with Mr. Ahluwalia ji.
Okay.
And we are also talking with them. They are talking on our phone also.
So have they given you any condition that if you go to Kaliachowk, they might detain you?
Presently, they have not imposed any condition. They only told us that you can't go.
You can't go. And do you think imposing Section 144 back last night once again is kind of a conspiracy to keep people out?
We think that it is a fair part of the government that government allow us to go there and for the purpose to meeting with the people. Because if the law and situation is so bad that mob is attacked to the police station and police persons are injured, so we want to know about the truth.
Right.
It is a matter of the dignity of the human being also. Right. It is a matter of the law and order situation also,
right,
which are very bad.